Question 13. A cinema has 3 different popcorn sizes shown below. We've got small, medium and large. For small, 40% cheaper than medium popcorn, 95 grams of popcorn. Medium, £4.80, 150 grams of popcorn. So 40% cheaper than medium popcorn. So whatever this price is, it's 40% cheaper. Large, £6.25, a third more popcorn than medium popcorn. So you've got a third more. So this more, a third more. Which size of popcorn represents the best value for money? Show clearly how you got your answer. So let's look at the prices and weights. So let me find the price for small first. So we need to first of all find the prices. So what's the plan? This is a problem solving question. So we need to have prices. We need to have the grams, because here you've got grams missing here. And then once we have these for all of them, we need to find the price per gram so that we can compare them. So this is the big plan. So let me use my bar model. So this is 100%, and 100% is £4.80. 40% cheaper. So if this is 40, 100 take away 40 is 60. This is 60%. So 60% of £4.80. So I'm going to write here 60% of £4.80. Now this can turn into 60% times 4.80. So I can put this in my calculator. So just to show you the percent buttons, the percent button is here. Can you see open bracket? You've got that above the open bracket, that percentage button. So I can do 60, press the shift, and then that open bracket, that gives me 60% times 4.80. So that gives me 2.88. 2.88. Now if you don't remember, if you don't understand this, we can change this 60% to a decimal. I'll just write it here so you can see 0.60 times 4.8. We don't need the 0, but I'm just putting it there so that you can see the connection between percentage and a decimal. We divide by 100. So 0.6 times 4.8, 0.6 times 4.8 gives me the same answer, 2.88. Okay, now, so this price is done. We've got price and we've got grams. We've got a price and we've got grams. Now this one, we need to do that. So it's a third more than medium popcorn. So the price is there. So a third more than medium popcorn is referring to the grams. So because it's 3 here, I'm going to do 150 divided by 3. It gives me 3 goes into 15 5 times. But let's be sure with our calculator, as it's a calculator paper, is 50. So we are adding this. So we're going to have 150 plus 50 grams gives us 200 grams. So I now have grams and prices. Now notice they are all different. So I need to get them a price per gram, or the other way around, gram per price. They need to be both equal. So I'm going to do 95 grams, or let me write it out actually as a ratio method. So 95 grams equals 2.8. You got 150 grams equals 4.8. And then you've got 200 grams equals 6.25. So we need to make them all the same. So I'm going to go to 1 gram. 1 gram, 1 gram. And so we divide by the same thing here. So to go from 95 to 1, what do I divide by? 95, I divide by the same number. So I've got 2.88 divided by 95 gives me 0.030. Let me write all the digits down for now. 0.0303157 dot dot dot. Here I'm dividing by 150, so notice that to get to 1 you divide by the same number. So 95 divided by 95 gives me 1. 150 divided by 150 gives me 1, and the same thing for the other one. Divide by 200. Divide by 200. So let's do this one. 4.8 divided by 150 gives me 0.032. 0.032. And then the last one, 6.25 divided by 200 gives me 0.03125. Now, so we are looking at which size of popcorn represents the best value for money. In other words, we're looking for the lowest price. So you got 0.030, you got the 30, you got the 32, and you got the 31. So which is the lowest one? This is the lowest one. So the best value is the small popcorn. Okay, so let me check my answers. Let me check the question. Which size of popcorn represents the best value for money? So we've got, this is 40% cheaper. So 40% cheaper is £2.88. How did we get? So we use this. 40% cheaper means it's 60% of the price. So we've got that. So this is 2.88, and then we worked out 1 gram of this, because we want to see what the cheapest is so we can compare them. This one is fine as it is. We looked at a third more, so we got a third of this, a third more popcorn than the medium popcorn. So a third of 150 is 50, and we added that to get 200, and so we got that here. So once we got them all, once we got the grams and the prices for each of these, we were then able to compare them by looking at 1 gram. And we're looking for best value, which means that the lowest price per gram. And so it was 0.30. And that is a 4-mark question.